There's nothing better than sleeping with the windows down, fresh air, peaceful sounds, and waking up to nature. But we all know what ruins that vibe. Mosquitoes, midges, no-see-ums, no thanks. Bugs don't pay rent, but they sure love moving in. That's where our front window Flyscreens come in, your first line of defense for a peaceful, bug-free van life. Our unique design creates a full seal around your front windows, keeping all the unwanted guests out while letting the cool breeze in. And yeah, it's that easy to install.
I used to dread leaving the windows open. Even a crack meant waking up with bites. Now I just pop these on in 60 seconds and sleep with both windows down. Total game changer. And the best part? They're universal fit, so they work on most car and van windows. Plus, they're super easy to install.
Watch as our Vanlifer customer guides us how to install them step by step.
Today I'm testing out the window Flyscreens from one of my favourite brands, Living in a Bubble. Step 1, take them out of their case. I like to start at the top corner of the door and work my way towards the mirror, where you will secure the Velcro around the base of the mirror. Come back around to the inside of the car and do up the strap firmly and pull down on the drawstring tab. And then ensure that all of your magnets are firmly placed against the outside of your car so that there's no gaps for any mozzies or insects to enter. And that's pretty much about it. I'm really impressed with how easy this was to apply to your windows and also to take down. I'm really excited to use these in the warmer months where I'll be able to sleep with the windows down for a little bit more ventilation.
And just like that, you're bug-free and breeze-ready. Honestly, it's one of those must-have van life upgrades I wish I got sooner.
Didn't expect to love them this much, but wow, no more buzzing in my ears at 2 a.m.
Never thought I'd get excited over window screens, but here we are. Wish I bought these sooner. Such a simple fix to such an annoying problem. We've recommended these to every van buddy we've met. Total essential.
This product was made with full-time van lifers in mind. Whether you're doing long-term travel, weekend escapes, or living out of your rig full-time, these Flyscreens are an essential upgrade for your camper setup. You didn't build your van to feel trapped inside it. Get those windows open, let the fresh air in, and live the van life the way it was meant to be. Connected to nature, bug-free, and breezy. Join thousands of other happy van lifers who've already made the switch. Ready to make your van feel more like home? Tap the link on the description to grab your set today and say goodbye to bugs for good. Hit like if bugs have ever ruined your vibe and subscribe for more van life hacks and gear reviews.